party out here in España.
So right after I threw my first Elite Entrepreneur event, I actually went to Barcelona and Ibiza for almost 2 weeks, and I vlogged. I usually don't vlog, but I finally vlogged this. So I want to share with you guys my Barcelona and Ibiza vlog. There is no, structure to this vlog. I just took a bunch of clips while I was there in Barcelona with some of my friends that do agency, that do e-com. So enjoy the vlog, and I'll see you after. What's up? I just touched down in Barca with the homie Trey right now. We actually went to eat some Nepalese food. I forgot to document that, but we are at, how do you pronounce this?
Sagrada Familia.
Exactly what he just said. Most beautiful construction project to ever exist. That's all we're here to see. Great construction project right here, but Barca vlog, let's get it. Let's go. In Barcelona, you heard? Turn up sangria, okay, bread, olive, and tomato. These guys like fine dining. This is poverty. Cheers. Cheers. I want it that way. Live from Barcelona, second day. Guys, I just got the Blue Lightning smoothie. I just had too much to drink. My friends are bad influence on me. They're like, hey, you're in Spain, have a lot of sangria. Hey, man, have tequila. Hey, do this, do that. Marcos, what are we doing right now?
Getting some burritos.
Yes, sir.
It's a little bit better than Chipotle.
Little bit? Oh, shit. Because of my skin color, I got less food than him. You guys don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's the same.
No, man, look at this. Why are we eating in a rape dungeon? He's the most decisive person I know. That's all I'm gonna say. The most decisive, right?
Actually cannot find anything that I like. It's tough.
It is tough. It is tough. Got here right now, man. What do we got here? Did you get beer?
No, I got the tequila as well.
Okay. To my brother Marcos, we're in Barca. Cheers, man. Let's go. Let me put the shades on so they don't know I'm fucking fucked. Give out cars, they give houses, you know what I'm saying? I'm technically David Dobrik. Mr. Beast if he was on crack. Anyways, cheers. Shout out emails. Cheers. I planned this trip way before, but I would have been better off if I just stayed in Toronto if I wanted to stay locked in. So, shout out Drake. Guys, a little vlog update. Your boy woke up so hungover, still film content. I'm saying we drank very moderately yesterday. That's all I'm gonna say. Right now with my friends, we're just doing some sightseeing. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cool. Recently, I've been following the Javi routine. This man is Javi right here. Well, this is kind of beautiful, man. Wow, look at that. Ooh. So in the span of 3 days, you're going to another Nepalese spot.
Number 2 in 3 days, we'll see.
Yes, but you also said it's better than Indian food.
That's confirmed.
Confirmed.
We'll see after tonight, though.
Let's see. But all the people in the comments, they can hate, but this is facts right here. All right, guys, quick change of plans because we went to this Nepalese restaurant and it looked like it belonged in Nepal. We decided not to eat, my boy Trey, he's white. I just don't think that's the right thing. Oh yeah, look at the Sangria Familia, by the way, fire. So we're just gonna go eat at an Italian spot and that's the vibes now. But also, guys, check out the fit. No, just the top half. Respects. Watching the Champions League final in Barca with the Dogs, G Mark, Javi. These are actually my old clients, which is crazy. Yeah, we're in Barca watching Madrid. He's a Madridista, so he's a bit sad because they can't do anything right now. Yeah, Vinny. Oh yeah. So I joke around and hate on it. It is truly beautiful, okay? This is actually, this is super beautiful. Just landed in Ibiza, island life. Just landed in Ibiza with my brother Javi, working on a VSL right now. I have to wake up at 5, sleep for 1.5 hours because because I was following Mr. Javi's routine.
Well, last night?
No, not much last night, but you know, I booked this flight in the morning because I was on the Javi routine, not realizing I only get 2 hours of sleep.
Logged in 100%.
Super locked in on the Javi routine, guys.
No, we just
Squad.
oh yeah.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Such a vibe. I usually don't drink beer. Cheers. What do you think about my sweet belly?
Trying to wear European linen pants, belt from the streets of Brampton, and Louis V, the cheapest one you can find.
Wait. My first ever time partying in Ibiza. Got some tequila soda with the homies. One thing about me, I don't party in Toronto because it's fucking boring and shit.
Cap.
I do, but it's boring.
That's
We
cap.
just stand around, you know. Here I have fun with my friends. In Toronto, not so much. So hey,
Stop
cheers.
the cap.
Another 6 a.m. bender with the boys. What do you have to say about this, Simon?
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that, Chief. So you guys see us have fun in Ibiza. I went out partying until 6 a.m. for the first time in my life. But one of these days, what happened was we come back around 6 in the morning. Life is peaking. I'm looking over, you know, the sun is rising. It's so beautiful. And all I hear one of my roommates say is, "We've been robbed." And I look at my friend, we look at each other, and the only thing I can think about is my laptop. Because my whole fucking life is my laptop, right? So I'm on my phone going to find my iPhone to see where my laptop is. And as I'm walking inside looking at the app, one of the girls goes, you know, they took all of our jewelry, all of our money, but they left all the laptops behind. For some reason, I knew, because I've heard like Barcelona is like the pickpocketing capital of the world, right? So I did not bring any of my Rolexes, my chains, and none of that. I didn't bring any of that. And that was the best decision I had made because I didn't lose any of my jewelry in Ibiza. Otherwise, your boy would not have his watch, the chain, all of those would have been gone. So hey, shout out for that as well, I guess. And the only thing I lost is that these smelly robbers robbed my Prada cologne. And this beautiful place like this, they robbed us. Isn't that crazy? Like, yo, in Spain, you wouldn't expect that, but it's crazy, you know? We live in a first world country and you don't feel safe. And that's why when I went to Dubai, I was like, bro, why do I feel safer here than in Canada, and I'm fucking paying all these taxes and everything costs so much, you know? So it's a very interesting thing, you know? It's very interesting, but all praise to the Most High. If I lost my laptop, I would have probably been depressed right now. Guys, I just went through one of the most stressful times of my life. I have a flight from Barca in like 3 hours, and they're trying to tell me I can't board because it might be overbooked. So that's the end of my Spain vlog, and then right after I came back to Toronto, I actually went on the boat for the first time this year for my friend's birthday, Rome and Amman, and it was truly one of the dopest times. Nothing crazy, but yeah. And that's how my 2 weeks went. I finished up my event, went to Barcelona, went to Ibiza, came back, went on a boat with my friends, and now we're here making YouTube videos. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.